Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Mateyena. Mateyena is here 1 year, actually a little more than a year from her surgery, and she has been awesome in terms of documenting her progress month by month on her YouTube channel. And so you can also check that out. She's getting a lot of response to that, especially with her, all her videos, but especially her hair transplant videos have been kind of hot for her. She's been getting a lot of questions, and it's been really awesome to see that. As you can see from her before pictures, what a difference in terms of her hairline, her edges, and she's really been through the whole thing, so she's a great resource for us. And Mateyena, how have you been over the last year, and what do you think of your final result?
It was good. I think at the beginning, although I want it done, I did get it done, but I still have some doubts, especially like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. I think I had doubts at 3 months, and then you sent me a message to say you got to be patient.
Yep.
And then at 4 months, and I was like, okay, something is happening. And then from there on, like every month, I was starting to see progress. And I think that I was able to pull all of my hair back before the 1 year mark.
Yep.
I had some hair.
Oh, yeah. So like Lee said, the first 3 or 4 months are the hardest months where like nothing's happening. People have buyer's remorse. They think it didn't work. 6 to 8 months in, people are starting to see, okay, I can kind of see 1 year final results. So different for everybody. Let's have you just show off your hair a little bit. Let me have you turn to the side and maybe just kind of pull your hair back.
My left first?
Doesn't matter. Whatever you want.
Okay.
We're going to show off both. There we go. And pull your hair back. There we go. Just hold it right there just for about 5 seconds. I mean, the pictures say everything. I mean, there's going from very little of no hair to that is unbelievable. Let's take a look at the other side if you would.
Okay.
Same thing. Beautiful. Hold it there. Unreal. What a game changer. I mean, really, to wake up and go out without having to hide it. Thank you so much. And then let's see from maybe if you could just show the center as well. Yes, right there. Perfect. And look how staggered it is. Look how natural it looks. 30 to 40%. Mateyena probably got 35 to 40% just because she has such coarse, healthy hair in the back. And thick hair, which helps. But look how it reframes your face. I mean, there's no way you would have wore a ponytail before this a year ago, right? So, and I love that you're keeping it natural, even though you were talking about straightening it or curling it or twisting it or braiding it, right?
I was talking about braiding it, and everybody jumped on my neck.
Yeah. Yeah, just for your own sanity, I'm glad you didn't do that because you would have never heard the end of it. That's for sure. So... Anyway.
Oh my God, when I made that video.
Oh yeah. Everybody was like, what? What would you tell people, African American women that have lost their edges, was it worth it? Was it worth the process? Would you have done it again had you gone back a year ago?
I think if I could go back, I would have done it sooner because I feel like I know everybody think that hair transplant costs a lot of money. But when you think about it, trying to hide it costs you more money.
Right.
Because you have to buy all those weave and extension and pay somebody to keep covering your hair, covering. And then in a year, you would have spent thousands of dollars more than what you would have spent actually getting it done and having it restored for a lifetime. Of course, if you don't go back and do the damage all over again.
Right.
But by the time I got to this point, I've already learned my lesson. I've matured, and I don't think I'll do anything stupid again to destroy my hair.
Yay! Awesome. Well, and the nice thing is, it is an investment financially, but it's a permanent thing, a permanent change. There's not a lot of things that you can buy that are permanent, lifetime things, right?
Exactly. Because all the weaves and extension, you can buy them to cover.
Right.
They're just gonna last you a few weeks.
Right.
Or a few months, and you have to move on to the next thing. It's like a cycle that never stops.
Yeah.
So people think they're spending little money now, but if you add it all up in the course of a year, you would have spent so much more that you can pay for the
thousands and thousands of dollars and time too. Right? So you can just wake up literally and go out and you're good if you wanted to, right? So
I go to work.
Right.
And, nobody
You got your edges back, you got your life back, you can move on and think about other things besides your hair. So
I think I'm younger now.
good. Mateyena, appreciate all of your documentation, keeping it real with people, all the answering of questions that you've done, and telling everyone about our clinic as well in the process. So do appreciate that, and I'm very happy for you. Congratulations on your edgiversary.
Thank you so much.
You got
Thank
it.
you so much. I'm gonna have 1 year journey video, like picture to show the progress within 1 year coming up soon.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks again. It was great seeing you.
Thank you. Bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.